Welcome. In this course, I'm going to show you a dropshipping source where you can find over 100 million products that you could sell online and start dropshipping today with no fees required. Okay, so now, first of all, for those of you who are not familiar with dropshipping is a business model where you sell physical products and you're not required to carry any inventory because when customers buy from you, you place the order with your supplier and they ship the product directly to your customer for you. So the great benefit of this, of course, is that you don't need to have any storage space or warehouse to carry all your inventory. The supplier ships directly to your customer for you. Okay, so in this video series, I'm not just going to show you this dropshipping source where you can find over 100 million items. Okay, I want to also give you some tips on how to do your research beforehand, how to find what products to sell, so you know that the product you're going to sell is in demand and also the niche is a profitable one for you. Okay, I'm also going to show you the benefits of using this source. I'm going to give you some tips on how to use the source if you're going to sell products from the source. And also, once your business grows, you're going to want to automate it. So I'm going to share with you a tool you can use to automate the whole process.